we move on into the Pinion Gearbox. So it's a gearbox that is produced in Germany. And it's very nice, actually. We have it, this one is the 6 gear. It comes in 6, 9, or 12 gears. And usually when I let people try the Packoped for the first time, I take out the battery, so they don't have any electrical assistance from the motor. And then they can feel that this is actually easily rideable with just the gearbox, completely bio, without any assistance, because you have this really nice gearbox. And this one is the manual shifting, but it also is available as the smart shift, where you don't have to shift through the gears by yourself. So very nice, made in Germany, quality right there.